Everybody, thank you for checking out our video. Today we have a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta 1.8 Sport, 106,000 miles. We just serviced it. Car is really clean and really good shape. Couple of really small little things. There's a little thing right there on the rear door. A quick walk around here. Tires are really good shape. Just put rear pads on it. Really small thing right there. Besides that, this thing is in excellent shape. Interior is in excellent condition. Really nice leather, two-tone leather. Navigation, backup camera. You can see it has a nice white and black interior. Bluetooth. Go ahead and start her up. It says she has 106,180 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056, or you can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you know somebody who may be interested, please send it over. And for all of your Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche repair service needs in the South Mississippi area, give us a holler. Thanks for checking out our video.